Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today I'm going to show you how to make the creamiest scrambled eggs ever. Trust me, once you try this method, you'll never go back to your old ways. Yeah, you heard me right. Creamy, dreamy scrambled eggs that will make your mornings so much better. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game. Whether it's a lazy Sunday or a busy weekday, these eggs are perfect. So let's get cracking, literally and figuratively. All right, first off, let's go through the ingredients. It's always good to have everything ready before you start cooking. You'll need 4 large eggs. Make sure they're fresh for the best results. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. This is the secret to that luxurious texture. 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter adds richness and helps with the cooking process. Salt and pepper to taste. Simple seasonings that make a big difference. Simple, right? Just a few ingredients, but they come together beautifully. Now let's dive into the cooking process. This is where the magic happens. Step 1, crack those eggs into a bowl. Be careful not to get any shell in there. Make sure you whisk them well. You want to incorporate as much air as possible. You want everything completely combined for that smooth texture. No streaks of egg white or yolk. Add your heavy cream to the eggs and keep whisking. This step is crucial for that creamy consistency. The cream is going to make your eggs super creamy and rich. It's like adding a touch of luxury to your breakfast. Okay, now grab your pan. A non-stick pan works best for this recipe. Place it on medium-low heat and toss in that tablespoon of butter. Let it melt gently. Let the butter melt slowly. You don't want it to burn. The key is to keep the heat low. Once it's melted and slightly bubbling, pour in your egg mixture. Make sure the pan isn't too hot. Here's the key to creamy scrambled eggs. Patience. This isn't a dish you can rush. Keep the heat low and gently stir the eggs with a spatula. Don't rush it. Slow and steady wins the race here. You want to stir continuously but slowly, making sure you scrape the bottom of the pan to avoid any sticking. This helps in cooking the eggs evenly. As the eggs start to set, you'll see them become creamy and soft. This is exactly what you want. This should take about 3-4 minutes. Be patient and keep stirring. Remember, low and slow is the way to go. This ensures the eggs cook evenly and stay creamy. Once the eggs are mostly set, but still a bit runny, remove them from the heat. They'll continue to cook from the residual heat. Now, season with salt and pepper to your liking. A little goes a long way. Give it one last gentle stir, and there you have it, the perfect consistency. The creamiest scrambled eggs ever. Just look at that texture. Plate them up, maybe add some fresh herbs like chives or parsley if you're feeling fancy. And voila, a beautiful plate of scrambled eggs. Perfect scrambled eggs that are creamy, soft, and absolutely delicious. A true breakfast delight. All right, time for a taste test. So good. The creaminess is just perfect. You're gonna love these. They're a game changer for breakfast. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Stay tuned for more amazing dishes. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy cooking. Enjoy your creamy scrambled eggs.